There are people from all around the world making money with this website that I'm going to show you today, and I'll show you another strategy that you can use in order to earn a lot more money passively. It is absolutely free and of course worldwide available. If you want to set it up properly, make sure to stay with me till the end of this video, since I'll explain it to you step by step. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since I'll notify you whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. The first thing that I want to show you guys are the payment pros. As you can see right here, people from all around the world, from Bangladesh, Colombia, Brazil, South Africa, India, Ukraine and so on, are getting paid instantly through every single minute with their preferred payment option, which is in this case is Payeer. So it works worldwide and also it is going to be absolutely free for you. But the thing is that they are getting some couple of dollars here and there, as you can see right here. So I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use in order to make even more money with this platform, and it's going to be in passive income. So stay tuned for that. The website in question is called Volutic or Volutic. This is over at volutic.com. This is a website that pays you to read emails, so earn money by reading emails. You can also do this, but today we are focusing on another strategy, on another feature that this site has to offer. You can go through all of their features here in their official website, but I'm not going to do that since we are going to do another strategy today. So all you need to do right now is to click on the register button here or up here so you can create an account for absolutely free. And for that you're going to put a username, an email address, a password, confirm the password here. Then you can leave this box empty because you are not being referred by anyone. Then read and accept their terms of services and privacy notice, and then click on the register button right here. After that you're going to receive an email from Volutic and you're going to click on the link in order to activate your account. After that you're going to be able to log in into your brand new account. And this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard. As you can see, it's pretty organized. Here you're going to see your username and then how much money you have made right here. It says $0 because I just created this new account for the purpose of this tutorial. So in order to withdraw your money, you're going to go over money here, click on it, and then you're going to click on the withdraw button right here. So let me show you how you can make money with this platform in another way other than reading emails. So what you can do is to go over once again at their official page. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see this blue box right here. As you can see, the minimum payout is only 20 cents, which is a nice addition. You don't need a lot of money in order to start getting to request your payment. And the thing is that we are going to get paid through their referral system. As you can see, they offer a referral system up to 6 levels, and they pay you $1 for every referral when your referral earns $1, which is pretty good actually. If you refer, for example, 10 people, you can make $10. If you refer 100 people, $100, 1,000 people, $1,000, and so on and so forth. But the thing is that you can make even more than $1 because per person, because if the person makes like $10, you're going to make $10 as well. So it's pretty good actually, and you're going to make money in passive income. So in order to get started, all you need to do is to go once again in your dashboard and you're going to get your referral link. As you can see, it is located up here where it says my referral link. You're going to click on copy here, and then I highly suggest that you go over to bit.ly.com so you can short your link. And the reason being is that you're going to get a more professional link and people are not going to see that you are promoting actually something, because they're going to see that it is from Volutic. So we don't want that to happen, because you are going to get less clicks on your link and therefore less money. So you just need to shorten it with a shorten website software like Bitly. This is optional, of course, but I highly recommend you do it. In order to do so, you're going to paste the link in this box here, and after that just click on shorten here, and it's going to give you your shorten link. After that, just click on copyright here, and you're going to start sharing it with people. So I'm going to show you a traffic source that you can get traffic to your link. What you can do is to go over to this website called Trendry.com. As you can see, this is a make money forum, and people gather here to discuss about different strategies, different methods on how to make money online. As you can see, there are a lot of categories and subcategories here, like make money forum, business and marketing forum, financial management, and cryptocurrency, and so on and so forth. What I suggest is you focus on the make money and also the affiliate programs forums. And what you need to do from now is to create an account here on Trendry.com. For that, you need to click on the register button up here. After that, you need to put a username, an email, a password, date of birth, your location. Then you're going to verify that you're not a robot, agree to the terms and privacy policy, and click on register. Or you can register faster using Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, or Yahoo account. After that, after you create your account on Trendry, you're going to start posting threads right here. And you're going to see that these threads are a lot and have a lot of engagement and a lot of views, as you can see, thousands and millions of views. So what you can do is to post a thread, you can write something like this: make money receiving free emails. I want you to put the word free right here, because it going together and attract more attention, because people like something to earn something for free. After that, you're going to write something like, I'm looking for people who want to make money online. Only the first 30 can get the spot. So we're going to make this sense of urgency by saying like only the first 30 people can get the spot. So you can get people to be more engaged in it and be more interested. If you're interested, just reply here and leave your email address. So you're going to look and search for, going to ask for their email address actually. And then when they give you your email address, you're going to contact them, and you're going to give them your referral link from Volutic. And like this, you can refer a lot of people and also make money passively. When they start using Volutic, you're going to tell them it is about receiving money, receiving free emails and making money. And it's something very easy, and people will be willing to try it out. With all of that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you followed me till the end of it and got every instruction right. If you like this strategy, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. If you haven't already, then subscribe to our channel, Lady Nemia's World, with notifications on. Thank you for watching.